Pixel Dan here. Wanted to do a quick follow-up review video on Roboto. There were a couple of things that were overlooked in the last video and that some folks wanted to actually see, so I thought I would do just a quick follow-up to show off some of this other stuff. Let's go ahead and start real quick first with a view inside those gears. Something I failed to mention that I thought was really cool and I wanted to point out, if you did not already notice it, you can actually see the heart-shaped chip behind Roboto's gears. Very cool stuff. It's a cool nod to the cartoon series. I thought that was a really cool piece. I completely forgot to mention it in the first video, so I wanted to make sure I pointed that out. Second, a lot of people wanted to know if Roboto's head was removable. Yes, Roboto's head is removable, just like all of the other Masters figures. And as you can see, it pops off and on quite easily. So answering that question, removable head. Now, last thing I want to focus on, many people have pointed this out since watching the video. It does appear that Roboto's shoulders are on backwards. Now, we saw this exact same thing when He-Man was first released at the very beginning of the line. It's as if they're just put on the wrong direction and facing backwards. As you can see when we look at the other side of it, you notice how the circuitry just does not seem to match up as well. It seems like we got some blank spaces up here where the circuitry is supposed to be showing forwards. It does just look like they were inserted the wrong direction. Now, I did go straight to the source. I asked Scott Toy Guru Neatlick at Mattel if he had a chance to confirm or deny whether or not these were placed on the incorrect way. Scott did make note that they had not actually had a chance to look because the review samples did not come into the office on time. This actual figure that I have here that was sent for review is a early package production figure. So he could not confirm or deny if the actual release Roboto figures were going to have this same issue or not. But it does appear that on the figure that I have for this video, that the parts are on backwards. In fact, you can look at the full page advertisement that was recently just released, and you can see that the shoulders on the Roboto figure in the picture do look different from what we have here. And honestly, there's probably a good chance that this is how all of the Robotos were produced, and we're probably going to see this exact same thing when Roboto is shipped. However, like I said, no confirmation on whether that's true or not, but it does look like the piece that I received is backwards. So I did want to just go ahead and make note of that so that if anybody that did not realize that, or for everybody who had been asking questions, had a chance to actually see that up close.